Welcome back to my viewers and subscribers, guys. Welcome back. First, I want to say a big thank you, guys, for all the support you have been giving me. You know what I mean? Continue to like the videos, share the videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, guys, the door is always open. Feel free to come over and hit the subscription button and join the movement. Now, today we're back with the next video, guys, and as I always said, eat what you cook and cook what you eat. Now, today I'll be cooking some rice and peas and French fried chicken, real Jamaican way. So just come along with me while I make my preparation. So right here is a recipe for my French fried chicken. I know when you go French fried chicken, you have to go spices and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So right here I have my paprika, all-purpose chicken seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Right here I have allspice seasoning. So the allspice is like a combination of spices. It has the pimento, the scotch bonnet, the scallion, the thyme. Everything just blend together in this seasoning, so it is very flavorful. So it's a spice you might want to try on your meat or your French fried chicken, whatever you're doing. Right here I have garlic, onion, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I have tomato, thyme, scallion. So basically this is all the spices and seasoning I'll be using to prep my chicken. So over here I have the chicken already washed, already cleaned and washed. And for your chicken, you want to make sure you wash your chicken with either vinegar or lemon juice, so you can get rid of the rawness from it. So I will now go ahead and prep my season for my French fried chicken. Yeah, guys, so I now add my seasoning, my onion, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Now hide these. Now I will go ahead and add my spices. I had like about half teaspoon of the chicken seasoning. Allspice seasoning, same thing. Maggi all-purpose seasoning, same amount. I also will go ahead and add some paprika. Paprika give your chicken a nice color. So add some paprika. Also I will go ahead and add some black pepper. Black pepper, I don't want to put too much black pepper on it. It should be good. Now I'm going to rub everything together. All my spice and seasoning now rub together. So my chicken is now seasoned. I'm gonna allow it to marinate for probably like about 2 hours before I start frying. So guys, just stick and stay for that. For my rice and peas today, I'll be using the red kidney beans. Most people know it as red peas. So I will now go ahead and have my peas cook. So guys, for your French fried chicken, you want to get your egg ready. I'm using 4 eggs. Over here I got my flour. I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. Some black pepper. And some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to mix everything together. So what I'm doing now, I will now put the chicken in the egg. Put the chicken in the egg, then from the egg to the flour. While my oil has been hot, I'll put it in this plate right here until my oil is fully hot. Put it in the head. ahead to the flour. Make sure you scrape all the seeds, the scallion and stuff off the chicken before you put it in the egg. You put it in the egg and you turn it over in the pot with the flour. And make sure the flour is all over the chicken. I'm setting this plate right here. I will now go ahead and put the chicken in the pot. You want to make sure your oil is well hot before you put the chicken in. So the peas is now cooked. I will now go ahead and add my coconut milk. I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk. After which I will add my scallion and my thyme, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I will add also half teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to cover it. So my chicken is coming along nice and lovely. Smells so good, guys. Smells so good. So my peas is now cooked. I'm about to put the rice in the pot. Smells so good, guys. You can smell the coconut, the scallion, the thyme, the Scotch bonnet. It just smells so good. After you put your rice in it, you want to make sure you stir so the peas could be all over. Yeah, you want your rice to cover in the peas, so you're going to stir. Then after which you're going to cover it. And you're going to allow your rice to cook at low flame. Chicken looking nice and crunchy, guys. Smells good, looking good. Yes, viewers and subscribers, as you can see, dinner is now been served. Right here I have my French fried chicken, rice and peas, my salad, and a glass of fruit juice. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to come over, hit the subscription button and join the movement. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.